Hey viewers, in this video we'll see how to make mozzarella cheese sticks. They are simple to make and a wonderfully ooey gooey snack. To start, let's prepare for the coating first. In a bowl, take 1 cup of maida or all-purpose flour and set aside. In a second bowl, take 1 cup of breadcrumbs. Add in 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning. Mix well and set aside. In a third bowl, take 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, a little bit of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper powder, pour in half a cup of milk, stir well until no lumps and set aside. Now take 200 grams of mozzarella cheese, cut into half-inch strips. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get notified on more such recipes. Now coat the cheese sticks in plain flour. Then dip into the batter. Ensure to coat all the sides well. Shake off excess and coat with the breadcrumbs. Pat slightly. Dip into the batter for a second time. And coat with the breadcrumbs again. Repeat the same with all the cheese sticks. You can also make a batter with Besan or chickpea flour instead of the maida batter. Refrigerate the coated cheese sticks for a minimum of 30 minutes. Fry in hot oil for 30 to 60 seconds. Remove when golden and crisp. Serve hot, gooey mozzarella cheese sticks with your favorite sauce. Do try out this recipe and let us know your comments below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get notified on more such recipes. Enjoy!